love some Chick-fil-A. Like, people will sell their soul for a chicken sandwich. I stamp they will. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 24. It's Christmas Eve and I'm eating my breakfast. I got oranges, boiled eggs, and a bagel. And then I made me a nice turmeric golden milk latte. Like, look at how fluffy. And yes, I'm just gonna sit here and start editing Vlogmas day 23. Y'all, I'm chilling. Big chilling. Is 12:51. I'm about to take my shot. This is the immunity boost with elderberry. So let me sit up to do it. Whew. That's the one with black pepper in it. So I'm just gonna sit here. You see my little bear? My boyfriend got it for me for my 20th birthday. So long ago. I'm just gonna edit Vlogmas day 23 and hopefully have that up by maybe like 3 o'clock is the goal. We will see where the day takes me. I'm just really enjoying chilling right now. Like, I'm just in my zone. Okay guys, we are en route to Target again. I know, but this time my mom had told me she needed me to get her a cake mix, and so that's what I was originally coming for. But then one of my moms, like one of my kids' moms, because I'm a coach, she said that, oh, Coach Dominique, like, we have a gift for you for Christmas. I'd love to like meet up with you and give it to you. And the Target is kind of a central point for both of us. So I was like, oh, we can just meet at Target. So I'm on my way to Target. I know. I wanted to get cute today, like fake cute, because I just feel like I'm never cute. Quarantine is just like, it's always giving bum. Like, it's literally always giving bum. So I didn't want to give bum today. So I'm cute. Y'all, Christmas Eve, even more nuts than Christmas Eve. Like, whoa. Let me open this gift on camera. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love them. Coach Dominique. I love my girls, man. They're the sweetest. Christmas joy to you. Happy holidays, every merry moment, level 4. Cute. Love the girls. Love the girls. Oh, it's a little box. I think I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it for Christmas, so I have something cute to open. Oh, I think I know what it is. I see Pandora bags. Oh my gosh, is this gonna start my Pandora addiction? Oh, now I'm very excited for tomorrow to open it. Let me text them and say thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm trying to decide if I want a holiday beverage from Starbucks. Because y'all know me, I love Starbucks. But I'm waiting to try to get out of this parking lot because, like I said, nuts. Super nuts. I feel like my decision is going to be, oh shoot, is going to be based on how crazy the line is. Because if it's a chill line, okay. if it's crazy, I'm gonna be waiting like 30 minutes. And I could just go home and make some tea. But I don't really know what I want. Like, do I want something that I can't necessarily get at home, or do I just want the vibe of getting a little Starbucks the day before Christmas to just lighten the mood? Are they gonna let me in? Thank you. Appreciate you. You're the best. Love the holiday cheer. Okay, the line's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. The Chick-fil-A line though? OD. People love some Chick-fil-A. Like, people will sell their soul for a chicken sandwich. I stamp they will. Honestly, this is like the perfect time to watch like a Christmas movie. It's raining. And I'm just trying to get out of these elements because people are honking their horns like madmen. Like, boop, like holding on their horns. Traffic is literally insane in this little shopping center, bumper to bumper, and I'm just trying to get home. Kind of regretting getting in this line, but I have a free reward, so I'm not really spending any money. So I just finished wrapping my dad's gift. Oh no, it's already messing up. Super cute. So this is my dad's, and then this one is my mom's. No, it is not from Victoria's Secret. I just like using the bags. So as y'all can see, I need to fold my clothes. I washed all my clothes that were dirty because I don't know why. I wash like once a month, once every like 5 weeks, because I have so many clothes. So I literally only wash once I start running, like when I get low on underwear, because then I'm like, okay, I need some clothes. So I've washed all my loads, and now I need to fold them, put them away. And I actually have one more load that's downstairs, so I need to go get that, and then I'm actually gonna start, which is nuts, I know. Now, time for the time lapse. This is gonna be, I love these type of videos. Like, this is so satisfying to me. So we're just gonna have a very satisfying time lapse, and then it's all gonna be folded.